movement. In one of my other videos, someone commented and asked what other kind of strategies are working well in video right now. And one of them has to do with survival. So if I was trekking around the Amazon rainforest and there was something moving in the side of my eye, how important would it be for me to detect that movement? Well, it'd be really, really important for me to detect that movement. Why? Because that thing that's moving could be dangerous or it could be food. So from the survival perspective, humans and animals as well have developed an instinct to look towards things that are moving. And that same instinct happens online as well. Studies found that it's almost impossible for you to ignore any kind of video or animated object. We recently took our top 2,000 videos running on Taboola and ran an analysis on them. And we tried to look at which action types are doing well. What we found is that action types that included a lot of movement, like shouting, dancing, climbing, swimming, surfing, those are the action types that did really, really well in terms of both the viewability rate and the completion rate. While action types like sleeping, tanning, texting, or talking, those ones didn't do so well.
What?
So if you're a marketer and you're putting together a video and you really want it to succeed, make sure to involve movement. Movement! What other kind of research are you interested in regarding video? Feel free to comment in the comment section below. Bye!